Hello friend and welcome to the part 4 and in this part we are learning app bar and icon buttons. So this will be the start of our project coding, and last time we learned scaffolding and what is the widget, what is build method, what is classes in short. So what is material dart. So in this part we will start with scaffold. So I will remove this, and in the scaffold there is an option called app bar. So app bar is nothing but the bar at the top of your application. I will quickly tell you, or I will show you the visual effects. So app bar, and app bar is nothing but class. You are assigning this app bar to this parameter app bar. So app bar capital, and this, look, these are all the options. I will start with title. So title will be written in text widget. So text is nothing but it is kind of class already written in the material.dart. So you can write India fights Corona, and I will just save it. With that, you see this option, or can see this app bar appearing in our device. And why this blue color? Because primary swatch, that is into the material apps. This material app is nothing but the main application on which entire our Android app is based. So we can change this title here to India fights Corona. Remember that this title is not going to display in your actual app, but the scaffold title in the app bar is going to be displayed, and this title is used by Flutter for internal working purpose. So don't worry about this. You are working in scaffold. So this was the app bar. Now, what is this comma at the end of the each line? That is important. Look, this title started here and this ended here, and sorry, this text bracket started here, ended here, and this app bar bracket started here and it ended here. So these are the two brackets, and everything into the Flutter Dart programming end with the comma. So if I give comma, that will be the good idea to fragment your code, because when I click on the, when I press the button Alt Shift F, I will tell you again, when you press the code Alt Shift F, it will get formatted, and it will get formatted in such a manner that wherever you have given comma, it will be entered, or it will come to the next line. So for every comma, your code will be fragmented to the next line. So this is the title, and this is the effect of that title. Now what is next? So in the next part we are adding something new to this app bar, and that is nothing but action button. So if I write AC action, so it will come into the picture action widgets. Now I have to provide list of widget into this, and you will have that widget displayed on the app bar. So if I write first, let's say if I write text, and if I write hello and give comma, that hello will be displayed. Look, it is there, very small hello is there. If I write, and now you can see that is appearing. But generally on app bar you don't provide text and actions, you generally provide icon buttons. So I will write icon button, click on it, icon button, and double quote. Now for icon button, icon is must, and on pressed is must. So these two functions are must. Just press I, icon will come. On pressed O, on pressed will come. So these two functions are must, and you have to define them. So how to define icon? So write capital ICON, icon, and in that icon, first option select icon. Now I want icons dot, what icon I want? I want home. So icon dot home, and on pressed for time being, just it will be nil for time being. I said Control S, and you see that icon now that home icon, but it is not white. So I will do this. So I am defining the function which is empty function. If I control S, now you'll see it is white now and it is clickable. It is clickable, it's not doing any action because we have not provided anything into the function body. So as soon as we provide something in function body, that will act as a clickable event. So next I will add one more button. So at the end of the icon button, I have to give comma, otherwise it will throw error. If you want to see icon button, look, this error will there, and I want there should be a comma, so that error disappears. Now second icon will be icon, in that icon start. Let's say I want to search, and on press empty function, and similarly I will add one more icon button, and in that I will have icon. This icon is class and this icon start. These are the icons available for using in Flutter. So I will have icons dot exit to app, and on pressed will be the null, or we can have empty function. Yeah, give the comma, and if I save this, you can see the effect. You got all these three icons: home, search, and app. Exit to app. So this was all about icon buttons and the app bar. In the next video, we will see how to add custom driver to our app. So slowly we are taking shape to our India Fight Corona app, and I hope you like this. Please like and subscribe to my channel if you really enjoy. If you have any doubt, please ask your doubt in comment section. I will be reflecting to that. Thank you guys.